kanya-kanyang mga jungles. But very interesting here, it's jungle Uranus. So medyo ngayon ko lang nakita itong jungle Uranus So mukhang may ginagawang meta, sariling meta itong Legis Kizuki natin, pero may baka magaganap dito sa ating bot lane. Eto na nga, nag-spam na ng hero itong ating Lilia, and down na dito itong ating Parsa, and Shy Essence will pick the Yin. Very good trade here sa ating bot lane. Pakaganda ng harassment na ginagawa dito ng ating Legis Kizuki, and Palmon will fall down doon sa ating mid lane. Medyo maharas ang ginagawa ng ating Legis Kizuki ngayon. Kinakapitalize nila ang kanilang early game damage with the help of the Lilia as well as yung ating Yuzong. So medyo lumalamang talaga itong Legis Kizuki ngayon. Pero ito, may harassment pa naman na ginaganap dito sa ating red buff on the side of the Anubis. Tamang ikot lang dito ang ating Balmon, pero na-flicker out dito ang ating Lilia. Pero makukuha ba? Pero ito, umabot pa nga doon ang ating Uranus just to finish the hero inside of the Anubis. Pero papasukin ba? Makang wala na yata. And ito, makikita nga natin ang naging replay doon kanina. Legis Kizuki showing their dominance into our late or the early game phase of our match. Ito na nga, medyo nag-overextend sila ito, pero alam din kasi ng Legis Kizuki ang availability ng kanilang skills, and very good micro usage of their skills, and wala pa ngang nakukuhang sagot dito ang ating Anubis. 5-0 para sa ating score, and lamang dito ng 2k gold lead. Ito ang ating Legis Kizuki. Grabe, medyo mabilis ngayon ang rotation ng ating Legis Kizuki, but still Anubis can still fight this one since medyo late game centric ang kanilang mga heroes, pero may palag dito na ginagawa itong ating Legis Kizuki, and Florin mabibigyan doon sa bush. Pero mukhang magkokondisma ba yata dito ating Anubis, pero mukhang wala na nga. Ibibigay na lang nila dito ang first turtle of our match dito sa ating Legis Kizuki. Wala na silang gagawing contest since wala na rin, kakamatay lang ng kanilang Florin, and they can di nila pwedeng aksayan ang kanilang oras doon. And ito na nga, gumawa na lang sila ng trade dito sa ating top lane para makabawil kahit konti sa gold lead na meron ang ating Legis Kizuki. So maganda ang call dito ng ating Anubis. Alam nila na hindi nila kakayanin ang that objective of the match, which is the turtle. So gumawa sila ng move on the other side of the map, and very essential pa nga ang nakuha nila dito ang trade since ang nakuha nila is the marksman of the Legis Kizuki. So magkakaroon ng konting kalamangan doon or konting pagbawi itong gold lane ng Anubis sa ating laro. And eto na nga, okay, tamang cut wave lang dito ang ating YZ, and kinidnap na nga, mabibigyan ba? Pero, uy, may nasustain pa yata dito ng ating YZ, and he gets a kill against that Yin. Grabe talaga ang outplay na ginagawa ng YZ natin ngayon. And andito na nga ang isang caster natin. Let's welcome Ori.
So okay, thank you for the gift. So it looks like Legion Kizuki is leading 3k gold lead in just 4 minutes.
Yes, kasi medyo early game centric kasi yung pick ng ating Legion Kizuki. So makikita talaga natin na medyo lamang talaga sila sa early game. But ngayon, makita natin dito ngayon kung ano ang kayang gawin ng ating Anubis, and micro ba, pero mamamatay dito ang ating Balmon as well as the Uranus mabibigyan kasi nag-overextend, pero may makukuha pa sagot. Pero Earthstrike will be activated but it will not connect. Other Lilia, and Lilia will survive, pero andito ang ating Yin, tamang pasok na dito, and tamang kidnap lang makukuha ba, and hey, it's a kill against Lilia, pero may ginagana pa dito, tamang skill lang makukuha ba itong ating Brody, pero hindi na mag-back na din yata dito ang ating bawat tukunan. Ayaw nilang magbigay dito ng mga putos sa ating Anubis, and I think it would be an easy turtle for the Anubis.
So this is what I'm talking about. I know that Legion Kizuki have this surprising pick called the Uranus score. But as you can see on the replay, that Uranus is picked up with that -1, and that leads to the Yin with that early double kill.
Yes, pero andito na din kasi tayo sa ating mid mid phase of the game kasi dito na lumalabas ang kayang gawin ng pick ng Anpo Anubis kasi nagkaka-item na ang kanilang Balmond kahit konting defense item pa, and yung ating Florin is kaya na nag-sustain na ng minimal heals dito sa ating Anpo Anubis side. So medyo nahihirapan itong Legion's Kizuki natin ngayon since yung quest 200 din kasi kanina medyo alanganin para sa type ng ating Legion's Kizuki.
Oo, tama ka dyan. Kasi yung Anpo Anubis, meron silang Florin, so dapat kailangan nila ng Dominance Ice.
Okay, pero pasok dito ngayon, may pagpasok na gagawin itong ating Legion's Kizuki, kaya bang Vincent, itong ating Balmond, pero mabibigyan dun sa kabila ang ating Farsa. So, medyo ang ginagawa dito ng Legion's Kizuki ngayon is an isolation play. Ang ginagawa nila ay since parang Ubi strat itong ating Anpo Anubis na ginagawa nila, ina-isolate nila yung ibang heroes ng Anpo Anubis at pinipick nila isa-isa. So makita natin sa review na to, una nag-initiate itong ating YZ doon sa outer turret and nakakuha nga sila ng isang hero doon. Eliminating a hero is essential against this Anpo Anubis pick.
Yes, Gibbs, especially with that Florin. If that Florin dies, Anpo cannot initiate in this team fight.
Yes, kasi essential nga naman itong Florin pick na rin ngayon kasi siya kasi yung although she will not tank the damage, but pwede kasing gawin nila is make the core as a front line and tamang sustain lang dito sa likod itong ating Florin kasi maganda nga naman kung nasa gitna lang ang yung Florin kasi pwede niyang i-support yung marksman as well as the front damage, pero Black Dragon Farm will be activated. Hahabulin ba itong ating Farsa? Pero hindi, and mapipitas yata dito sa likod. Further Earthstrike will be activated and possibly ito yung ating Yuzong, pero hindi niya makukuha itong ating Farsa, and mukhang mabibigyan yata ditong ating Balmond na nag-overextend doon sa middle side, pero ating ipapasok, pero magagawin ba? Pero wala. Rectify na dito ang ating Yuzong, pero mukhang wala nang kasunod doon.
Ito yung sinasabi ko na problema. Balmond lang ang kanilang frontline. So kung hindi masasustain nitong Balmond, wala na silang follow-up for the Anpo Anubis.
Yes, and maganda din kasi yung ginagawang zone out dito ng ating Yuzong coming in from Reg X kasi sabi ko nga kanina, it would be an Ubi strat dito sa Anpo Anubis, and an isolation play would be good against the Anpo Anubis. So this Yuzong make sure na hindi magtatabi-tabi itong ating Anpo Anubis, and kahit magtatabi-tabi sila, pwede silang mabigyan ng isang Yuzong. Pero further Earthstrike, ginamit na para depensa nitong outer turret, pero mag-push pa rin ito to the side of Legion's Kizuki, pero tamang out lang dito ang ating nakita na dito sa ating push, and parang binigay talaga nila yung Florin, and
here we are to this game.
Yes, and I can say kanina na medyo off yung pagbigay ng Florin, pero nakita ko dito kung bakit nila binigay kasi alam nila kung paano laro yan, and tuloy pa rin yung laban dito mas-sustain dito ng ating Florin, pero tamang pre-hit lang dito ang ating Luran, and he gets the Uranus as well as the Farsa with a feathered Earthstrike.
And that's 2-for-1. Legion's Kizuki winning that Lord team fight, and this Lord is going to push top lane.
Pero eto na nga, nakapag-lord nga dito itong ating Legion's Kizuki, pero malidepensahan pa naman ito ng Anpo Anubis since it's a level 1 lord pa naman, and this Legion's Kizuki would really be careful kasi itong ating Bruno nagkaka-item na, and nakita natin kanina na hindi na kayang i-sustain ng Uranus ang damage coming from the Bruno. So may technical difficulties tayo ngayon, so pause muna onto the side of our players. So hindi pa masyadong magaling, and ini-encourage din namin na sumali kayo kahit na ganun lang din yung setup natin.
And so here we are back to this game, 12 minutes in. It's 21-8 for the side of Legions. Looks like they're going to dominate this one. 7k goal lead in 12 minutes. And we have still 70 seconds onto that level 2 Lord. Looks like they're going to freeze this wave and just suffocate them to not let them come back to this game.
Kasi mahirap din kasing pasukin itong ating Anpo Anubis sa kanilang base. So Legion's Kizuki, need talaga nila na palabasin itong Anpo Anubis kasi kung ipaperasa nila pasukin itong Anpo Anubis, oo, they have that Yuzong to penetrate within that backlines, pero napakadelikado kasi kaya ng sustain ngayon ng Anubis ang damage or the damage coming in from the Legion's Kizuki.
And this is what I like to hear. This surprise me to the Uranus score and not banning the Thorin. Thus, getting that Kadita road, it looks like it's going to be a KDA MVP for HCL if they seal this match.
Yes, and 4-0-11 na nga dito ang from each steal. And malaking bagay ito kasi kapag nakaka-early kills ka within a Kadita, you will get that early items kasi mahirap din kasi pa-itemin yung Kadita kapag ikaw ay roaming kasi may gold deficient ka with that roam kasi may penalty ka na hindi ka makaka-gold within at least 5 minutes if I am right. So having that early kills, you get the early items to amplify your damage, and kapag nakaroon ka ng yung Kadita natin kaya mag one hit combo kahit walang item during that early game. How much more kung meron siyang items?
Yes, that is correct. And it looks like that is going to be easy free Lord for the side of Legion, and the Lord is going to respond at the 14-second mark. It looks like it's going to push on bottom lane. They're going to freeze this wave. Looks like Legion's Kizuki is being patient right now. They're not going to end this fight.
And nire-respeto din kasi ng Anubis ngayon ang kayang gawin ng Legion's Kizuki. Alam nila na oo, pwede silang lumaban doon sa Lord, but it would be very risky. Kasi once na na-wipe out sila doon, it would be a disaster para sa kanila. So, ang ginawa nila dito, ang call nila is, alam nila na kaya pa nilang i-clear itong ating mga minion waves, pero nabigyan yata dito sa ating mid lane, itong ating Balmon using the rough waves, and nakuha na nga siya. Way of the Dragon will be, Black Dragon form will be activated. Ang tinarget na dito, itong ating Bruno, nasa pack doon, and he gets big killed, and mukhang nilalockdown na nga yata dito ang ating inhibitor turret, and the win would go for the Legion's Kizuki. Well played para sa ating Legion's Kizuki.
For the side of Legions,